Hi, and welcome to 8183 Howley Drive, located in Canton Township, Michigan. This is a great home, priced at $270,000, three-bedroom, bath and a half, finished basement that has been fully waterproof, beautiful hardwood flooring, not only through the living room, but in each of the bedrooms and the family room. The kitchen flows so nicely into the family room and has these beautiful granite countertops. Natural fireplace, and you gotta love the patio door leading out onto the patio in a very private backyard. Perfect for those summer events, family, friends, what have you. Now, let's go on upstairs and check that out. Nice sized primary bedroom. Here again, those beautiful hardwood floors. This home does feature an attic fan, and also several of the windows have been updated. All of them are vinyl clad. There's that finished basement. You can see the waterproofing throughout, and that has a transferable warranty. Now, this is the backyard which I was talking about, and I do love the privacy from the hedge. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Houses of this size at this price point do not last very long. Hey, thanks for watching, and I truly hope you have a great day.